All right, well, look at this. We've got ourselves an old Cushman Truckster. We're going to be rebuilding this here on the channel. Hope you guys subscribe and follow along. Let's take a look at this thing. So we got her up on the forklift forks. This thing just came in today. Got it from Washington, Indiana. Called the guy up. He said he'd take $400 for it. Needs new batteries. Outside of that, she's cherry. If you've ever heard that old Johnny Cash song. So here's the inside. You can see it's a little dirty. He said he pulled it out of the barn, and he's pretty sure that it just needs batteries, and really that's all these things end up needing, is just some batteries. So we're going to start with a good pressure washing, and then we're going to do some more research, and that'll be part one on this new endeavor. Let's get to it. I'm pretty excited about this because it's cabbed and it's unique, and those of you that know me know I love unique things. Doors shut on it pretty good. The driver's side's a little doinked up, but it also has this truck bed that can be pulled up like that. I'm gonna make some wooden sides that come out and then connect with that. I don't know what color we're gonna paint it. Maybe you guys should tell me in the comments. Oh yeah. All right, and that is a wrap. We blew out all the old dirt, nastiness. This thing has got a lot of work that needs to be done to it, but we can do it because we are the jack of all trades. I'm excited to get to it. That's a wrap for this video. My fiance has named this little golf truck Tiny, so follow along for the restoration and Resto-Mod of Tiny the golf cart. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.